Hello, welcome back to Learn Economia. In this video, we are going to look into multiplier and economic planning. What is the role of multiplier in economic planning? That is the basic content of this video. Before starting, let me tell you that I have already done several videos regarding multiplier, the Keynesian multiplier as well as the employment multiplier. I'll be providing the links of the same in the description box. So if you have not watched those videos where we have dealt with the concept of multiplier, you can watch the same. So with that, let's get started. A multiplier, as we all know, is a single number which summarizes the total economic benefit resulting from a change in the local economy. We can see that multipliers provide planners as well as community leaders with some estimates of employment, gross sales, as well as income. This would result from new economic activity. I mean, all these numbers which are given by multiplier with respect to employment, gross sales, or income would result from some or the other form of economic activity. Multiplier effects also play a very important role with respect to growth ball theory. The theory rests on the idea that dynamic economic activity impacts local as well as regional economies, and multiplier effects are the basic mechanism whereby a growth ball affects its surroundings. It can be noted that strong locally confined multiplier effects are a basic force exerted by metropolitan areas. Multiplier effects generated by the creation of a new type of economic activity in a given area, for example, a manufacturing facility, or these are something which are of very much interest, especially with respect to this policymakers and all. Ultimately, you will see that the multiplier effects resulting from any change in economic activity in a given area are very important regardless of when it has started. Multiplier effects may produce not only positive outcomes but also negative ones are produced by multiplier. Reductions in output as well as liquidation of companies. All these things would lead to lower incomes and lower employment at suppliers as well as business entities, serving the needs of employees made redundant. The most important general issue here is that the total magnitude of multiplier effects generated by an increase in economic activity or the creation of a new type of economic activity in a given city or a region. Another interesting feature here is that industry distribution of multiplier effects. That means that some industries would experience stronger effects than other industries. Multiplier effects include the growth of local enterprises as well as developments of suppliers of goods and services located in distant regions. This would include countries outside the country we deal with in the question. I mean, abroad cases are also considered here. I mean, the foreign countries are also considered here. Multiplier effects spread out away from its point of origin. Here, an example is growth ball. The fundamental issues to be considered are the magnitude of multiplier effects and their industry distribution as well as their spatial distribution. The factors that would determine the evolution of multiplier effects are considered to be the core issue of interest as well. So that's all. I hope you could have a better understanding regarding how this multiplier affects planning. Um, I welcome you to my Telegram group and Telegram channel to discuss your doubts regarding this video as well. And I request you to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos. You can be a part of my Telegram group and Telegram channel to discuss your doubts so that you will be able to clarify your doubts by discussing, which is considered to be one of the efficient means of clearing your doubts, and also you'll be able to gain lots of new information while you take part in the discussions and all. So this Telegram group and Telegram channel is considered to be both of these are considered to be good platforms for you to uh, make discussions, debates, etc. regarding different topics of economics, not only with respect to theoretical arenas but also with respect to practical aspects like policy creation, implementation, and all. You can make several discussions there. So with I'm telling you all these things because I am getting a lot of feedback regarding my channel as well as group. The people are telling that they are gaining a lot out of the discussions they are making in the group as well. So you can be a part of the group as well as the channel as well. So that with that we end today. Thank you for watching.